Hello everybody, this is Tariq Akkad from Arab40.com. This is a new tutorial for me about camera mapping in Cinema 4D release 14. Let's open Cinema 4D. I will do a simple tutorial about camera mapping, projection, and we will gonna export this project to After Effects CS6, and we make a final composite over After Effects. Let's start to import the material over here. Actually, we need to choose our material. That's it. No. Okay, we're gonna take the specular off. We can also change the setting first to be HD. Okay. And we're gonna do use the easy way with the camera and material tag projection camera from the tag here, camera mapping from the projection. There is many maybe two ways to do this. This one is one way, and the other way with the calibration, but I will use this easy way. So let's drag drop our camera in this link, and as you see now we start to make mapping. Actually, let's change the name. Okay, and the floor. Great. But let's change the position or some rotation of the camera. Actually, yeah, a little bit. Copy, duplicate layer, and let's rename this. To side right, and position it to the right position, and duplicate for the side left. Yeah, I like to be in the same place. Let's rename it side left. Great. Now let's I will make this a little bit down more, maybe. I'll change the rotation. Okay. Move this a little bit, and the left one a little bit also. You can change the orientation for all, and we'll add some heights, more heights, maybe yeah, we'll change this, no problem. Okay. Almost yes, maybe this one with the zoom and camera. Yeah, that's great. So let's move it, and I will make it 4000 maybe. Okay, move it down, Um, as you see, I can't make render in this time because I don't have the compositing tags. Actually, I'm gonna add this very soon, but let's change the height or the width, sorry, for the two sides to fit up this the viewport here. Yeah, that's great. So this is the floor. I will make the blockade for the floor one layer, and I'll make it the back for the back. Yes, minus Z. Let's move it to the last of it. Yeah, that's great. So let's select all layers. I'm gonna select this all to make the Cinema 4D tag composite on all of the four plans. Actually, we don't need to make it a table for these layers, but maybe later. Now select Cinema 4D tags, compositing. Okay. We will check on the compositing background. Yeah. Now, actually, as you see, render is just done. Okay. This is the easy way because we don't have many layers. This is actually without the compositing. Um, if we have many layers on After Effects or on a Photoshop, maybe for matte baiting or something, we're gonna need the calibration camera. Now I will make a new camera just for test, you know. This is the animate camera, animated one. Actually, you can zoom inside and go. Just a test. Yeah. Let's go back. Yeah. Let's go back to our camera. Okay. Actually, we need to get light. Only light, no problem. It's just for little shadows, you know. Shadows. Yeah. For the soft shadow, I can make the shadow map about 500 times 500. Let's see. We're gonna. Okay. There is a problem always in the edges of the plans. As you see, there is a shadows up there. Actually, if we have an ambient occlusion effect, this will be without the global emission. Now it will be more dark in these sides. As you see, this is we can fix this very easy. In our tags, we were gonna choose all the tags, and we will go to the scene by GI. Actually, GI not now, but we will uncheck the scene by AO, and actually the GI too, because I will gonna do global animation effect. So now we just have the light shadow only up there. Let's take off the shadows. We're gonna see here without shadows, and it's great range. Now we can check this back. Okay. Now there is something called a cast shadow. Cast shadows, we're gonna take the check off. Make check off, and also the scene by AO. no problem, you can let the scene by GI. Actually now we have solved this little problem. That's very easy. So um, now we can do modeling inside and put some model 3D models inside to fit the whole design, and we can make modeling for the sites also. It's very easy to do. Okay, maybe this side off. Okay, see, you can check here the fit of the material on the plan object. As you see, it's gonna be on the only the for the camera view, and anyway the far away it's not good resulting viewing, but we will not need this right now. We will just need the almost rear one. Let's change the material texture preview size to best quality I can see, so we can make modeling here. Yeah, maybe some extrude or something on this box, on this door. You can do, guys, whatever you like to do, but this just is a tutorial. You know there is many windows here. You can just make an extrude inside and make a new extrudes here. Understand? Yes, great. Maybe now we can make the door, this door. Okay. So best with size. Yeah. I have something here. We can make cut. No problem to be. Oh, the cut is right. As you know, this is just camera mapping. I see it's like a track, you know. Now let's render this side only. There is a shadow inside here, you know. So let's see now. Maybe this is the box one. Yeah. Oh, that's the box. Okay, so that's very easy. Position. Yeah, let's go to the other one for the side, right? I'll make cuts here. Maybe change the position of this edge. Make some extrude. Use them. Yeah. Oops. As you see, you can do this windows actually too. It's very nice to do this. You can do that also the other windows, but this now I'm gonna do this one only. So select select the polygons, head D, extrude. Great. Now okay, that's one here, and this we can do. Let's choose this one, maybe. No, I think it's not need this much of extruding. Yeah, let's do this one also. Yeah, okay. Cut in here. Oops. Where did you go? Come back. What's up? Okay, let's hide the side left and make the cuts. Okay. Okay. Extrude. Okay, great. I'm gonna make save. Let's import some 3D models from our R4D library. Legends, Carl Holt. Yeah, this one will be great. Let's make rotation a little bit, and this position. Let's change a little rotation. Yeah, cool. Let's save it. You know, it's automatic. I'm putting Control S, automatic. Yeah, that would be great. Now we get another model of the Arctic library. Objects, outdoor, managers. This one would be great. The basket. Guys, if you need to download the RF4D library free models, we just give it away, and you can download it at our website rf4d.com. Let's change the size to a little bit smaller and change position. Yeah, so I think this it's not the ball actually. Okay, no problem. Let's rotate this one. This is not a wall. Yeah, it should be this one. So I'll change the car hold actually a little bit in here. Yeah, that's great. Okay. I'm gonna do a null object inside the box. You know, we're gonna do the compositing tag for the After Effects in this null. So let's change the name to compose it. Compose. Same for the tags. Compositing external. So solid, maybe make it 50, no problem, 50, just for saving the position of the keyframes. Otherwise we can do a tracking in After Effects, track motion, no problem. So let's see, we can add another object. Let's add the Voila. Change the position. Yeah, I'd like to put in the floor exactly. Yeah, make it a little bigger. Maybe. It's small. Yeah. Okay. That's done. We can add something else as advertising menu, 15 size, change the y-axis to 115 maybe. That's just put this in here. Smallest. Yeah, little up. Okay, maybe upper. I think this is on a shop maybe, or something store, so we can. Yeah, little bit up. Oops. Great. We can make this editable. Maybe for the frame. Actually, we need the frame. Okay, that's okay. Let's select these polygons. That's for the material. No need for the background material. Actually, you're gonna render this side. So let's change the specular color maybe a little bit. Yeah, this is for the frame. It's actually, now we're gonna use the material inside. We get the material. Material of our materials, just for testing. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. Change the orientation a little bit of the material lens, about 200 V lens, 50 offset, 50 oops, no, maybe minus 50, oops, minus 50, and this minus 50. Yeah, great. We don't need to make stick textures. Actually, this model will stay over here. So make maybe a cube. Make a cylinder for the advertising. Now let's change the size. Let's make it a little bit smaller, maybe 3. You don't need the rotation segments too much. Can do something up there as the noise. Yeah, small this, extrude little bit. So for the material, yeah, let's change the font tag, maybe 40. Yeah, that's great. So now, as you see, we have done our project in the Cinema 4D. Let's change the camera, new one. We will name it animated. Okay, let's make animated frames. Actually, record frames. Now we have on the 90 frame, and actually the same position, and we go back to 0. But let's do it 120 frame, and back to 0, and come to a little bit zooming. As you see that when you get too much zoom, the material it's we're gonna be not visual very great. Let's do the keyframe over here, maybe. Oh no, that one better. Yeah, that one better. Yes, actually, yeah, very easy. Let's do it in the 50 or 60 frame without the rotation. Let's come the rotation and it end up here in the 60 frame. That's mean at 2 seconds maybe with the auto angles. Yeah, everything is going well. So, oh wow, yeah, I like this stuff, guys. It looks great, huh? Let's change this. Select this all. This all. Come in here a little bit. Yeah. Also a little bit. Yeah, actually. Stop. Yeah. Ta-da! That's great. So let's change our render setting. Now, actually, we can make the ample oxygen 50 maximum brilliance and the anti-aliasing best. Best, yes, best. I can choose the filter for animation, but no need now. No problem. Just think of the compositing tag. Actually, we need to have a save for the After Effects. Actually, we have make the frame range to all frames to render from 0 frame until 120 frame. So the save. Now change the position. The save maybe final. Okay, you can choose what you would like to export your render. I'm gonna choose the maybe the AVI movie. Or let the QuickTime. Yeah. We don't have alpha, so the composite project file. Actually, if we have a composite external compositing tag, so we need to make a compositing project file. Even we forget to make the save on the compositing project file, we can, after we render in Cinema 4D, actually we can make save a project file. So let's to include the 3D data and creative. Okay, utilizing, everything is going well. Render. Yeah, so we get it will take some time, maybe 30 minutes, I think. This is the first frame. I will let you guys see the first frame. So now I have finished the render in Cinema 4D. Actually, now we will go to the After Effects. Open the After Effects, guys. Yeah. If you just render external for the After Effects and you have already have the plugin for the After Effects plugin Cinema 4D Exchange and export and import plugin in the folder of the plugins in the After Effects folder software, you're gonna find this icon. Okay, so you're gonna open and you will find the composite over here and the actually uh, the compositing tag. Yeah, that's it. Let's open the final. As you see, great. Now I'll change the I'll make the fire inside the box, the basket. Actually, as you know, I used the layer for this using. Let's change the time. Yeah, trim. Okay. So now I'm gonna save it with the final composite. Wow, I like what it's doing. Okay, we don't need this camera. Delete the first one. The lights, we don't need it, but actually we can some projects we're gonna need it. So I will show you up, guys, how to make the change the camera or the materials of the objects to not seen by camera, to not seen by lights or seen by lights. Actually, let's choose a footage for our render. Smoke maybe. Actually, you know this library is for the Copilot. It's fire. And let's check this one. This one is cool. Let's see this one too. Actually, that one I think was better. Let's choose this one. So we can do a new folder for the footage. I rename it footage. Okay. Move the two footage inside the new folder. Actually, as you see, our composite layer, it's come 3D layer. So you're gonna use our footage as a 3D layers also. Let's take this not the torch, yeah, the torch is the fire. You see the fire is also here. When we're gonna do it 3D, it's gonna hide our let's get our composite layer positions. This one inside. Maybe you can just copy this from the start, and we will go to the our copy, hit B only, and paste. It's coming over here. Okay. I know why it's very hard. Let's go smallest. Maybe. As you see, the lights, it's affecting the layer. You can take off the lights if you don't need it, or there is another way. If you need the lights, so you don't need the footage to affect by light, so it's very easy. Go to the option, sorry, the not light option, the material option, yeah, or maybe hit AA material option. You can find here accept lights. We can make it off, change it to off from on. As you see, it's gonna actually we don't need the light in this scene, but I just wanted to let you know how to make it. Let's make this more smaller. Okay, change the orientation a little bit, pull up maybe. Yeah, we can make a mask. Okay, yeah, can change it to invert. Yeah, invert. Oh, without feather. No, I don't need feather. Okay, that's good. I just forgot in the cinema to make the layer actually put it in the first of the basket. I made it in the middle, so this make a little bit problem here. No problem, we can fix it. Actually, very easy to fix. Can change the orientation or just animate it. I'm gonna show you how to animate the mask. It's very easy. Actually, a little bit, yes. And the last one. It's actually the same. It's I may change for the first frame. It's so we not need this. We need to make for the mask a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Actually, fit out. Yeah. Now we can change the mask over here maybe. Yeah, this one actually. I get it from the first frames. Actually, it's shown up on the viewport. Yeah, this one. Okay, this is the fixing. What we just forget to do. Let's animate this one. Okay, animate this. Mask goes. Okay, over here. Change this one here up a little bit. We can hit shift to change the point position. Actually, we can fix this by the orientation, but I want to show you guys how to animate the mask. Okay, we can fix the other footage, the smoke footage, with the orientation without any of these frames. So almost done. Yeah, that's great. Oh wow. Yeah, great. Now it's off this cloth. Now we will get the smoke set here, our 3D layer. Let's take the composite. Maybe we can take the torch position, hit PP, hit B to get the position and make copy, Control C and hit P for the smoke, a new footage and make Control V. Now actually it's come there, it's very big. Yeah, let's make it smallest a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Now we're gonna change the anchor point. Okay, left a little bit, yes. Now you can start it without a mask inside and down a bit. Yeah, now it's worked fine. Yes, let me make we don't need to make the mask, but we're gonna take this little bit up for the equaling the edge of the basket. We're gonna need to make here a mask, but not now. Just check this. Okay, just kind of change the orientation. Yeah, come over here. Okay, that's great. Now it's going up here. We're gonna make animate for the archer. Now let's make the mask. Maybe something like this. Cool. Oops, no, we can just hit shift, change this, make it subtract, yeah, with a feather, little feather. That's awesome. Yeah, everything is going well now. We don't need the we maybe can duplicate this one and to look more realistic. Maybe edits would be great. Or let's do it overlay maybe. Yeah, that's this one is great. So you can change from here. I just make shift and plus and minus to choose which effect I like to make, or which mod. Actually now it's working well, so we don't need the old composite file layer. We just hide out the scene. Now see, as you see, you can check this all and make a new composite, pre-composite. It's in Arabic. Yeah, render. That's great. So I'm just downloading something. I have some effects for like full magics or something. It's like library, you can use it. I just don't save it in my mind just to test. Let's make a new adjustment layer. No, don't like it. I will not just use one by one, or what? Let's choose one. Oops. There's one called indie phone. Yeah, this one is great. Let's make it transform opacity, maybe 38. Yes, that's so great. I think we have just done our tutorial. Now the final step, it's for rendering in the After Effects. So we have rendered before in the Cinema 4D. Now we're gonna render in After Effects. So I'm gonna render. You can, you guys, you can make a track inside your scene. So I just use the external composite in Cinema 4D to use my footage of the light of the smoke and fire. That's all. So let's make the render settings. I just may I use the same setting. I don't need to change. You can change whatever you like to change your output formats with the audio output or not. It's no problem. I don't have audio, so I will save it here. Final Com. Okay, hit render, and I will just wait. As you see. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial, and see you in next tutorials. Many thanks. Tari Akkad.